So hello everyone, welcome back to our online class for the first session. So how are you today, student? I hope that you are fine. You are doing great, right? Okay, so today, what day is today? Student, what day is today? Today is Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. So every Tuesday, based on our schedule that you are going to learn about listening starter 2, right? For the first session, unit 11, we talk about packing for a trip. So this is the way that you are going to learn for today. You learn page on page 77, student. So before you move to page 77, you have to do some review in here. Okay, so for the last, you do the writing, right? As I remember that, you have to ask 5 friends about what? About the trip, right? Ask 3 friends about the trip, and then you select 1 friend to write. Okay? You select one friend information to write in here. As you have seen here, you did it already, right? So the way that you are going to do for the last, you did for the last, like you ask your friend, like name a friend, was 3 friends, and then they use suitcase a base for what? For traveling, and then something that they always take, and they never pack. Okay, so this is the 3 questions that you are going to that you have done it already. We just review, right? So question number 1, this one is use suitcase or bag. Mean do they use suitcase or bag when they travel, when they travel? Okay, when they do a traveling or when they travel. So for me, my friend use like a suitcase, right? I told you already. My friend is Steve, right? And then one thing that I will take on a trip, one thing, telephone, yeah, telephone, and also like t-shirt or short like that. Okay, some money on him. Okay, and one thing I never paid. This one is say what? Book. A lot of book they have a lot of book he has, but he never pack it. Okay, so this is my friend, and your friend, you have write, you ask the 3 questions. You have asked the 3 questions already, and then you write down already, and then you take pictures to send to your personal homeroom teacher already, right? This is just review. So the main that you learn for the last, you know, the main point that you learn for the last, you have to review. I have to review 3 questions, and you have to ask your friend about 3 questions, right? And question number 1, number 2, number 3, you have already asked, and you have write already. This is just review, okay? So now, student, please open your book on page 77, student. As you can see, page 77, we have like 4 parts. Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. But for today also, you just learn only 2 parts. Part A and Part B. For Part A, can you see it right now? You know, from Part A means listen, write the letter that matches the pictures. So matches the picture, like we have number 1 picture until number 4 in here. Open your book, you will see it. Okay, so letter B, listen, choose the best response. So we have number 5 and number 6, and then we have A, B, and C. A, B, and C, okay? So this one, A, B, C, A, B, and C in here, okay? So from number 1, to number 4, and number 1 to number 6, okay? So you have, for number 1 to number 4, you have listen, and then write the letter that matches the picture. Can you see right now? So picture number 1, the boy is carrying the pen, like the gin, right? And then number 2 picture, one girl put a book on her head, right? On her head. Can you see on her head? And then number 3, you know, one man carry a passport, or you know, a passport with his suitcase, right? passport is in his hand right now. Can you see it right now? Okay, and number 4, we have like one bag. So one bag or one suitcase and full of clothing, like something that this one is they pack before traveling, pack for a trip. Okay. So the picture 1 and until picture 4 I have explained you already. So you move to part B. Choose, listen and choose the right response. And then we have number 5, number 6, and then number 5 we have A, B, C. A, no, you don't need a coat. B, yes, you will need a pen up here. And C, yes, you will be ready soon. Okay, so number 6 also have A, B, and C. So A, you will need some sock. B, I'm packing a bag. C, yes, I'm done. Okay, yes, I'm done. Can you see? So from number 1 to number 6, if you want to do all those correctly, you have to listen carefully, right? And after you do listening, you can spend like 3 minutes to do the listen and then 3 minutes to practice match the letter with a picture with me and then choose the best response with me. Okay, now student, it's time that you start to listen. Now listen for 5 minutes, student.
A. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
He is carrying his passport.
B. Jenny tried to pack too many clothes. C.
It wasn't easy for Kay to carry her books.
D. Brett really likes his new pants. B. Listen. Choose the best response. 5.
Should I pack some pants?
6. Will I need anything else?
Yeah, thank you very much. You know, after you do the listening, you can know the answer, right? So number 1, you know, the boy carrying a jean. They say pen. So number 1 with letter what, student? Number 1 with letter, yes, letter D. Okay, letter D. This one. Can you see? And move to number 2, student. Number 2, a girl put her book on the head. So this one is letter C. Okay, so you can write letter C. And then move to number 3, student. Number 3, a man have a passport in hand and carry a backpack. Carry his suitcase to travel. So number 3 with letter what? Letter A. Yeah, letter A. Yes. Okay. And the last one is a bag full of clothes. You know, they packing. They are packing before trip, or they packing for trip. Okay. So letter B. Okay, this is the correct answer based on our listening at the moment. So now you move to letter B. Listen and choose the best response. Student. Number 5. A. No, you don't need a coat. B. Yes, I will need a pair of pants. C. Yes, you will be ready soon. So the question is should I pack some champagne, right? This one is say should I pack some champagne, the question. And then the answer should be letter, you know, the best response should be letter B because of a pen, right? Letter B is correct. Pairs of a pen. And the question is should I pack what? Should I pack some pen? Yes, you will need a pair of pants. So she have to pack it. Okay. So letter B is correct. So move to number 6. You will need some sock. I'm packing a bag. See, yes, I'm done. So, okay. The question is, will I need anything else? Will I need anything else? Yeah, you will. You will need some socks. So this one say you should call letter A. Yeah. So number 5 B, number 6 A. Student, do you understand about this? After you do the listening, you can know the answer. It's easy for you about the listening section. And then, okay, today also we finish for the first session. And then if you have any question related to our listening at the moment or review part, you have to ask the homeroom teacher. And the homeroom teacher will answer you or will explain you clear on that, okay? So student, for today first session, you have done about part A and part B. Part A, listen and write the letter that match the pictures, you have already done. And then part B, listen and choose the best response, you also have already done, okay? And today you have also review 3 questions. That is the very important question for yesterday already, right? And then you have learned already. Thank you very much. And one more thing, this is I always tell you, you have to do the classwork and homework. And after you finish all those things, don't forget send to your homeroom teacher for checking. Thank you very much for the first session today.